Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about protection against over voltages. So, this is second part in your module 5. So, in protection against over voltages consisting of few topics, in that we are going to discuss about causes of over voltages. Why over voltages will occur? What are the reasons? Those things we will discuss in this video. So, causes of over voltages. So, we have many reasons causes of over voltages. So, main important reasons here we will discuss, and later we will move to the different types of over voltages, right. So, over voltages causes due to various reasons, various causes. So, the normally operating voltage of the system do not stress the insulation severely. So, next operating voltage of the system do not stress on insulation. So, insulation having some properties, so which is not allowed to flow of current through the insulation. So, operating at normal operating voltages, the insulation should be same, the insulation should not affect due to voltages. So, whenever voltage is rises, the insulation is going to failure. So, due to stress, at normal operating condition there is no stress on insulation of the conductors. Whenever current exceeds or whenever voltage exceeds, so then the insulation going to failure, that is the one cause. And over voltages arise on the power system generally classified into two categories. So, two categories, one is external over voltages and another one is internal over voltages, right. So, first one external over voltages we will discuss. So external over voltages mainly due to atmospheric disturbance. So, these external over voltages occurs due to mainly atmospheric disturbances. So, mainly in rainy seasons we will observe thunders, so lightnings. So, due to the lightnings external voltages will occur in the power system. So, first one direct lightning strokes, electromechanical or electromagnetical induced over voltages due to lightning discharge taken place near the line. So, near the line any strokes, any lines, any lightnings comes, so electromechanically induced voltages will be observed. So, next one voltages induced due to changing in atmospheric conditions. So, atmospheric conditions means like temperature, pressure. So, temperature increases, the conductor length will increase, temperature decreases, the length will decrease due to temperature. So, electrostatically induced voltages due to presence on changes clouds nearby. So, due to clouds also, so this electrostatic causes will occur, right. So, in next one electrostatically induced voltages due to fractional effects of small particles such as dust. So, in transmission lines are placed outside. So, these transmission lines affects due to dust, due to dry snow. So, due to cold in the atmosphere also these uh, over voltages will be occurs, right. So, these are the external over voltages causes. So, mainly due to lightnings and due to atmospheric temperatures, due to dust, due to snow, due to dry snow. So, in winter seasons, so these problems will occur, snow reasons will be occur. So, these are the external over voltages, okay. And next one, so we will see the internal over voltages. So, internal over voltage occurs due to operating condition of the network, mainly due to operating condition of the network, these internal over voltages will be occurs. So these internal over voltages are classified based on the switching, based on the temporary voltages. So based on the switching, based on the temporary, so this internal over voltages will be occur. So here switching over voltages, why it will occur? Due to transient over voltages of high frequency. So frequency is varies, so transient voltages will be occurs in if you take sinusoidal voltage V is equal to Vm sin omega t. So where omega is equal to 2 pi f. So frequency rise, what will happen? Angular velocity will rise. Due to angular velocity rise, voltages will rises. So due to frequencies, due to high frequencies, transient voltages will be occurs in power system. Next one, temporary over voltages. Temporary over voltages are steady state over voltage of power frequency. So due to steady state over voltages, so frequency values cannot vary. So due to that, temporary over voltages will be occur, right? Understand, right? So internal over voltages based on frequency. So based on frequency, so these are classified into two categories. One is switching over voltages, another one is temporary over voltages. Switching over voltages due to transient, temporary over voltages due to steady state frequencies. So transient frequencies, switching over voltages will be occur. Steady state frequencies, temporary over voltages will occur. So this is about internal over voltages. Okay. So in next video we are going to discuss about lightning phenomena and wave shape of voltage due to lightning. So these are the two topics we will discuss in this next video. So here we have discussed causes of over voltages, right? So thank you everyone.